And I'm going to also show you this wonderful big touch screen that I love to use. It's so clear. So we're going to go start sewing, and I'm going to go into sewing mode and our selection menu, and I have selected in the technique section our radiant stitches. Love these. I'm going to choose this one over here. And what I love about this new interface here is that it actually brings up help. It tells you how to use these stitches when you load them, or before you load them, when you select a stitch. So that's really helpful. So I've selected that stitch, and then I'm just going to line my needle up on onto the line that I've drawn. And what I want to do, I'm pretending this is a neckline, and I want to have my stitches radiate out. So I'm going to press the Start Stop button. And then the stitches are going to stitch backwards. So I'm going to turn my fabric so that the two parallel lines on the red lines on the foot are lined up with my stitching line, or my drawn line. Then I'm going to press Start Stop, and they're going to stitch backwards. And I've slowed it way down, the machine way down. It can go quite a bit faster than this. Now it's going to stop when it gets back to the starting point. And then I'm going to turn my work, line this center point up with that curve, and continue, and it's going to stop. And then I get to go backwards again. So I'm going to press Start Stop, and it's going to go backwards and stitch the next decorative stitch. Okay, and so I can just continue doing this. I'm lining up the middle red line with my drawn line, and then turn my work and just angle it whichever direction I want it to go. It's all up to me. And I just love this machine. The stitches are amazing. It just feels so solid, and it's just so easy to use. I'll do one more so you get the idea, and turn it backwards. And you can make a really beautiful neckline. You could use this on art home deck projects, art deco projects too. And there we go. Whenever you're done, you can just finish. I used the scissors to cut it off. I could have done an immediate tie off. And there are my stitches.